Hello, my friends, my dear ones. Welcome back to my channel again, and this is Mukesh Kumar from Youngster Dev. And I wish you a very happy new year, and may this year brings lots of happiness, joy, laughter, good health, and wealth as well. So, this is my episode 4, wherein I will cover up continuation part of string in Swift. So, without delaying anything, let's get started. Now move to next level, that is indices. Indices means we will work with the index values of the string or a substring, right? So first we have start index, right? So how can I use it? Like mystr dot start index. Yes, it will return the index value of a starting for this string, encoded offset, to get its numeric value, integer value, right? So here I got 0, and at this 0 index I need its character. So for that, what I need to do, I need to type my str variable, and within the square brackets I need to just paste this and just remove this offset value, and here you can run. So I have got the 0 index value letter, that is h, right? Similarly, I have index and index, right? And again, just copy it and paste it and change this end index, right? And run it. So 11. So we can count my str 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it is 11. So what the actually end index returning? It is returning after the last value index. Like I want to add more characters, so of course this will not replace existing. It will come followed by t. That's why end index is returning the value after the last letter, right? So let's see if I print this its value. So what will come? No need to copy paste and just write it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is showing error. That means at 11th position there is no characters. Yeah, that's why it is showing this error, right? So hope you got my point. So for this rectification we have index after or index before. So this will be our third point, index before, right? How can I use this? Just type mystr dot index before and type mystr dot index, means print the value just before this, right? So let's run it. Oh, I need to comment this because this is showing the error, so compiler will not go to this line. Oh yeah, I need to encode offset value. Let's run it. Yeah, this is showing 10. So how can I print its character at this position? In the square brackets, just I need to type again mystr dot index before, and to which before? The end index value, right? Just run it and t I'm getting, right? And fourth one we have index after. Like I want not the start index, I want just after the start index. So in that case I have after, right? mystr dot index after, to which after? mystr dot start index, means w will return. right? So let's check the value first. Its value should be 1 after 0. Yeah, correct. And now its value mystr within the square brackets mystr dot index mystr start index, because we need the value after the first value, right? So just run it, and here I'm getting Swift. Okay, is the word of hello. I thought SW. No problem. Now guess, I want this space. So how can I identify? Because I have identified first one, last one, second one from left, and second last from right. Now in the middle, what I will do? For that, I have a fifth property or the method, that is index value and then offset. Yes. Now mystr dot index, this one. Here I need to specify mystr dot start index, and let's say offset. I want the space position, that is fifth position. 0 1 2 3 4 fifth. Yes, I need to specify 5, numeric 5, right? So let's check the index value of it. Yeah, 5. So let's print the space character, my start index dot index with offset, and mystr dot start index, and 5. Just run it. So here we will get space, right? We can also test by 6 so that we can get S. Yes, I know it is quite confusing, but as soon as you get in practice, then you will know, and it will be more easier for you. Right, so this is about the indices, accessing the values by indices, and now we will modify something, like we will insert some values, we will remove some values, or we will replace some values. So for that, I'm specifying modification. Okay, so first we have insert at, because we are inserting, right? And how can I use that? My str, let's say use my str1, right? And after dot keyword, I'm typing insert. This is insert at, so I need to specify the character I want to insert, like S. Okay, and at which position, last position of my str1 and index, right? And let's print my str1 and see the output. See, my str1 value is high, so S is added at the end, right? This way I can add a single character, right? But for more than a character, like I can try this one, SA, this will not execute, this will give error, because this is for single character only, right? So just rectify it. So for that we have another function, insert content of, right? So let's write my str1 dot insert, this is content of. You will get the collection here, collection of characters, means like high space, and there at which position, of course at the end, right? And again check the value of my str1 and run it. See, S is already added in the first in this query, and then there is added, right? So this way we can insert the values, right? And now how can we remove? For remove we have remove at, right? So I want to remove this s from my string, so just type it mystr1 remove. I need to give variable name and its position by using index offset. So I want it from start index and the offset is 2, right? Now it is good. Hi there, s is removed, it is returning s, right? This way we can remove. And this is for single character, but for collection of characters we have another method, and that is remove subrange, right? Let's see, mystr1 dot remove subrange, and now here we need to define a range. Like I need to take two variables, that is, let start value start equals to mystr dot index mystr1 dot start index, and I want to remove there, right? So I will specify the offset 3, right, for t, and end is simply my str dot n index, right? This is the range. So how can I specify this? Start 3 dot sorry double dot less than n index, because end index will return the next value after the last character, right? But we want just previous one. Basically we have two operators, new operators in Swift language. I'll mention it here, the description, right? So I'm specifying the range, so let's see what will happen. Yeah, so there is removed, but space is left, so I need to specify, if I specify 2, so space will also remove. Yeah, cool. We also have remove functions like remove first, remove last, remove all, right? So these are the important ones or confusing ones which I am describing here or discussing with you. So next we have replace. So for this, let's take a new string, new str, and put the value like this is Swift programming, right? And I want this string from this is Swift programming. So for that I just need to type new str dot replace occurrence. So I'm giving the occurrence of this with it, and take this process into new string variable like so, and now print your new str1. Let's run it and check. So now it is Swift programming, right? And now I want to change like Swift, only Swift what I want to change. So new str dot replace occurrence. So I will specify the Swift keyword and will type like Python, right? And taking the whole value into new variable and then print it. Let's see, this is Python programming, right? So this is about replace. So I hope the string topic is very clear to you and you have learned a lot from this video. So I'll come back with another video, another topic. Till then, take care, bye bye, Shapa khair.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I'll remember you. If you remember